I've printed out this poster of the Women of History, and it's from Karen Holland 2022, and now I'm gonna make some cake choppers out of this. Cutting the rows 1 5/8. I'm cutting the pictures about 1 1/4. Some of them need to be adjusted because of how large the picture is. And the first base card is going to be 1 1/2 by 2 inches. And this is what the picture will sit in. Okay, now it's time to assemble. So I've got everything cut out. And then I don't want the toothpicks to fall out, so I did add some tape. If you can see that, I have taped them on, and then I'm going to add glue and just stack everything up and glue it all together. I made these cupcakes for my daughter's class for National Women's History Month. I think they came out pretty great.